friends, let's make easy Bisquick crepes on a stainless steel pan. These crepes are unsweetened, so you can use it for a savory crepe or a dessert crepe. To make the batter, add 1 cup of Bisquick mix into a mixing bowl. I'm going to make 1 cup of reconstituted milk by mixing 18 grams of skim milk powder with 180 grams of cold water. Stir until fully dissolved. Instead of making it from powder, you can also use 1 cup of dairy or non-dairy milk. Add the milk into the Bisquick mix. Crack 1 large egg. Whisk it and add it to the Bisquick mixture. Whisk the mixture into a crepe batter like so. Make sure there are no lumps in the batter. Our crepe batter is ready. Preheat a large stainless steel pan on medium-high heat. If using an electric stove like mine, this may take a few minutes. Let's conduct a water droplet test. Pour half a teaspoon of cold water onto the pan. If the water sits and bubbles slowly, the pan is cold and it's not ready yet. Let the pan heat longer and test again. If the water evaporates quickly and breaks into small beads, and the pan is almost ready. Let the pan heat longer and test again. You know when the pan is ready when the water forms distinct beads that stay intact and glides across the surface like so. Like this. Once the pan is preheated, get rid of the water drop. Add 1 teaspoon of unflavored oil. Use a silicone brush to oil the pan. You can see the oil smoking. This means the pan is very hot. Lift the pan from the stove to avoid burning the oil. Turn down the heat to slightly less than medium. If you are a beginner like me, use your first crepe as the test crepe and expect it to be messed up. Once the batter is spread out thin, use a mini offset spatula, loosen around the edges of the crepe, and flip it over to cook the other side. As expected, the first one is burnt. Do not eat this. Second round. Add some oil, glaze the pan, add about 1/4 cup of batter, and using the back of the stainless steel ladle, spread the batter thin in a circular motion. This is going to take some practice to get good at this, so be patient with ourselves. Loosen around the edge of the crepe. See how easily it releases from the pan? Flip it to cook on the other side. Looking pretty good. Not too bad. Third crepe. Because the crepes are thin, the moment the batter is spread thin, you can start loosening the edges. Looking pretty good. And this is the 4th crepe, almost there. Fifth crepe. And last crepe. This batter makes about 5 to 6 crepes. One of my favorite ways to have crepes is to have it with golden syrup, like this. Delicious. You can also individually freeze crepes in cling wrap and either thaw it at room temperature or toast it for crispy crepes. These are some lightly toasted crepes that were frozen. Add a dollop of unsweetened plain Greek yogurt, drizzle some golden syrup, and add a few defrosted mixed berries. Ready to eat. Yum, yum. I hope you give this a try, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.